Hi, welcome back. What will be the value of k, given that you have k multiplied by k minus k multiplied by k equals 150. So let's have it to be solution. Then from here, k times k, we have it to be k to the power of 2 minus k times k times k, we have it to be k to the power of 3 equals, we can simplify 150 as 125 plus 25. From here, we have k to the power of 2 minus k to the power of 3 equals, let's have 125 in base 5 as 5 to the power of 3 plus, let's have this to be in base 5 as 5 to the power of 2. Then from here, let's pick this and this. Let's pick this and this. We have k to the power of 2 minus 5 to the power of 2. Let's group them as this. We put everything in brackets. We also have minus k to the power of 3 minus 5 to the power of 3. Then let's set everything to be equal 0. So from here, we have k to the power of 2 minus 5 to the power of 2, all in brackets, minus, when we factor minus out, so minus divided by minus, we only have k to the power of 3. Minus divided by minus, here will be plus. We only have 5 to the power of 3. We close it. We set everything to be equal 0. Then let us recall that this is difference of 2 squared, when you have a to the power of 2 minus b to the power of 2. This equals as, open bracket, a plus b. We close the brackets, again open bracket, a minus b. This one is sum of the two cube, and when you have a to the power of 3 plus b to the power of 3, this equals as a plus b, again all in bracket, multiplied by a squared minus ab plus b to the power of 2. Then we close it as this. When you apply this here to this, we are going to have it to be k plus 2, all in brackets, again multiplied by k minus 2 as this. Then from here, we have minus. So here will now be minus, but we have a plus b, where we have our a to be k, plus b is 5, k plus 5, here will be k minus 5, then here will now be k plus 5, then again multiply by k square, here will be minus 5k plus 5, b square is 5 square will be 25. We close everything. We set it to be equal 0. Now, we are looking at this expression. This, we have k plus 5 in common, so we can factor it out. Will be k plus 5. We open the bracket for it as this. The whole of everything here divided by this. We only have k minus 5 left. Then from here, the whole of everything here divided by k plus 5, we only have this left, but we have minus outside. It will be minus, open bracket, k square minus 5k plus 25. We close it. Then we set everything to be equal 0. From here, we have k plus 5. Then again multiply by k minus 5. Let's open the bracket with minus. Minus times this will be minus k square. Minus times minus 5k will be plus 5k. Minus times plus 25 will be minus 25. We close it. Then we set everything to be equal 0. From here we have k plus 5, all in bracket. Then multiply by. Let's rearrange this as minus k square. K plus 5k, we have it to be plus 6k k. Then we have minus 5 minus 25. We have it to be minus 30. Then we close it. Then we have everything to be equals 0. Then from here, what are we trying to say is that for this particular expression to be equal 0, is either we have, let's say, k plus 5 to be equal 0. For this particular expression to be equal 0, or we have minus k squared plus 6k, then minus 30 to be equals 0. Then from here, we have the first degree solution to be k equals minus 5. Then from here, the coefficient of the highest power, we want to eliminate this negative by multiplying through by negative as minus 1 as this, then multiply by minus k squared plus 6k minus 30, then we close it, then that equals 0. We also multiply this one by minus 1. So definitely from here we have k squared, minus times minus will be plus, minus times plus 6k, we have it to be minus 6k, minus times minus here will be plus 30, then we have everything to be equal 0. Then from here, let us test whether we are going to get the real solution or complex. Let's recall from d equals b squared minus 4ac. Then we have our b to be equals minus 6, all in bracket, to the power of 2 minus 4 multiplied by a is 1 multiplied by c is 30. Then from here we have 36. 4 times this, we have it to be minus 120. So from here, we can see that this will give us negative and it will be less than 0. So therefore, d equals negative value, which less than 0 implies that no real solution for this particular problem. So therefore, we have only k to be equals minus 5 as our real solution. Then if you want to check, we have k multiplied by k minus k multiplied by k multiplied by k. Then when k equals minus 5, let's see what will happen. Here will be minus 5 multiplied by minus 5. Then we know that this equals 150. Then we have here to be minus outside, minus 5, minus 5, minus 5. Then the question is it going to give us 150? Then from here, 5 minus times minus will be plus. 5 times 5 will have 25. Minus times minus will be plus, times minus will be minus. Remember, we have minus outside. 5 times 5 is 25. Multiplied by this, we have it to be 125. Then is it going to give us 150? So we have here to be 25. Minus times minus will be plus 125, which equals 150. 5 plus 5 is 10. We have 0. This plus this will be 2 plus this one, we have it to be plus 1 will be 5. Then we have our 1 equals 150. So k equals minus 5 is the right solution. Bye-bye.